In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your projects in high definition using Capcut. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, ensuring your video project is in HD can make a significant difference in the quality and professionalism of your content. So let's dive right in and guide you through this simple yet crucial process. First things first, open up your project in Capcut. You want to make sure everything is set and ready to go before we move on to exporting. Once you have your project open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the export button. This is your gateway to transforming all your hard work into a quality video file that you can easily share across various platforms. Once you've clicked the export button, you'll be directed to a window with the export settings. This is where we make those critical adjustments to ensure your video is exported in HD. Look for the resolution setting. It's important here to select a resolution that suits your needs. You typically have the option to choose between HD, 720p or 1080p, and if your project and device support it, even 4K. If you're aiming for professional level clarity, opting for 1080p or 4K when available can provide that extra sharpness and detail in your video. But remember, higher resolution also means larger file sizes, so keep that in mind based on what your storage and platform can manage. Next, let's talk about frame rate. Another important factor that impacts video quality. Adjust the frame rate to 30 frames per second or higher. If your camera and project support it, going up to 60 frames per second can give your video an incredibly smooth and natural flow, particularly beneficial for dynamic content like sports or action shots. However, higher frame rates can consume more storage, so balance accordingly with your device's capabilities. With your resolution and frame rate set, it's time to finalize your export settings. Review everything carefully to make sure you've selected the appropriate quality level for your project. Once you're satisfied, confirm your choices and tap Export. Capcut will begin the process of rendering your video in high definition, which may take a bit of time depending on the length and quality settings of your video. And there you have it, your video is now saved in beautiful HD, ready to be shared with the world. Exporting in high definition not only enhances the visual appeal of your content, but also makes a statement about the quality and care you put into your projects. Whether it's for social media, a professional presentation, or a personal project, taking the time to ensure your video quality is top notch is always worth it. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating with Capcut.